What is Vite and Webpack? Imagine you're moving to a new house. You would not carry even spoon book so separately, right? You did pack them neatly into a few boxy bundles like Webpack and Vite do exactly that for your website. They pack all your files together so they are easy to ship to the user. A bundle takes all your JavaScript, CSS and images, then combines and optimize files. It also cleans and compresses them just like the wrapping fragile items with bubble wrap to make the delivery smooth and fast. A webpack has been around longer with tons of features and plugins, but can be a bit heavy. With a newer lighting fast and great for modern web projects. Either way, they both make your website load faster and work better for visitors. Without bundling, your website would be carry hundreds of tiny packages and slow and inefficient. Bundles help you pack everything into a neat box so your visitor gets a fast, seamless experience.